Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leah and I'm so happy you're here and I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, I am so excited to show you all a DIY glam mirrored wall that my husband had finished. This has always been a dream of mine to have an accent wall from top to bottom made of all mirrored tiles. In our house, we love to decorate with mirrors as mirrors create a brighter feel inside the house and makes any space feel bigger. Mirrors create the illusion of depth and space so they can really make a small room feel bigger. It is a great decorative element to use in a room. Mirrors are also great for narrow spots such as hallways, creating the effect of a bigger and wider room as the light bounces from the mirror throughout the whole room. The mirrors we use for this project are a square decorative mirror plate that we have ordered a large quantity from Hobby Lobby. They were originally $10.99 each, but we waited to order them when they were half off from their weekly rotational sale. With this project, we used 75 pieces of mirrored plates to fill the whole wall. And for the adhesive, we used a premium lightweight tile adhesive from Home Depot that was a leftover from our tile wall installation from our bathroom makeover. This whole wall took my husband about 6 hours to fully install and had cost us about $500 more or less since the adhesive was a leftover from another project. I am extremely happy since it could cost more than what we paid for with this whole wall or about the same price just to buy a piece of a large standing mirror from a store. I am so happy with how it turned out and how it makes our formal dining room look more of an expensive hotel lobby feel without breaking the bank. And I am beyond happy and proud of the hubby